In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Mailchimp signup form on Blogger. By the end, you'll have a working email signup box on your blog, powered by Mailchimp, without touching your theme files or using any third-party plugins. We'll start in Mailchimp. From your main dashboard, open the Audience section. This is where your subscribers live, so make sure you're working with the audience you want new contacts to join. Next, choose Signup Forms. This page collects all the ways people can subscribe, and it's where Mailchimp generates the code you'll place on your site. Select Embedded Form. Mailchimp will show you form style options like classic or condensed, along with toggles for elements such as the title and interest groups. These options control how the form looks and what fields appear. Keep the setup simple to start. Email and name fields are usually enough. And remember, you can return here anytime to change the style. Once the form looks right in the preview, copy the embed code Mailchimp provides. It's a block of HTML that includes your audience-specific details, and it's all you need for the blog. Be sure to copy the entire snippet so nothing breaks when you paste it later. Now switch over to Blogger and open your blog's layout. The layout area lets you add content blocks without editing your template. Find the section where you want the form to appear. Many people choose the sidebar or a footer, and click Add a Gadget. From the list, select HTML JavaScript. This gadget accepts raw HTML, which is perfect for Mailchimp's embed. In the Gadget window, you can leave the title blank if you want Mailchimp's own heading to show, or add a short label like Subscribe. In the content box, paste the Mailchimp form code exactly as you copied it. Avoid changing the code unless you're comfortable with HTML and CSS. Most modern Blogger themes handle the form's width automatically, but if it looks tight later, you can revisit the Mailchimp styles and regenerate the code. Click Save. Back on the layout page, confirm the gadget is positioned where you want it. If needed, drag it to reorder. Save your arrangement so the change goes live. That's it. Your Mailchimp signup form is embedded on Blogger. If it doesn't display, make sure your theme supports HTML JavaScript gadgets and that you pasted the full code. For compliance, consider enabling double opt-in or adding consent text in Mailchimp's form settings. Any design adjustments should be made in Mailchimp and then updated in the same gadget by pasting the new code.